Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're talking about Bitcoin and the Robinhood app. And we're going to talk about, is it legit or not? Okay, so here we are on the Robinhood app, and what we're going to do is scroll down and come to cryptocurrencies and then tap on Bitcoin. So what we want to talk about is holding your Bitcoin or using Bitcoin within the Robinhood app legit. So I've made a couple buys and sells. If we scroll down here, we can see my history. And I noticed that there's not really any fees within this app. Like if I go here, it's basically doing a market buy. I pay $1 and it buys Bitcoin from whoever has a sell order on a market. And then it gives me $1 of Bitcoin. So it doesn't seem like there's a fee or anything like that. But this is pretty much all there is. You can see there's no transaction ID or hash number where you can look up the actual transaction. And if you go to your BTC, it doesn't appear that there's any wallet number. There's no way to send money off of the app or receive. So normally you want to have your own wallet. You want to own your crypto, and your Bitcoin wallet will have its own address and things like that, so people can send money to it. You can send money out of your wallet, and it just doesn't appear that Robinhood has any of those features. So it makes you question, like, is what they're doing even legit? Did they even own the Bitcoin? Do you own the Bitcoin? Or is it all just digitally displayed numbers on a screen? And from what I see within their app, there's no like information on that. There's nothing that would indicate that you actually have a wallet and you own this Bitcoin. They do have kind of like order details, but it's not a legitimate hash number. You know, when you buy Bitcoin, it has to be transferred from one wallet to another. And when that's transferred, there's like a number or a hash mark, and then you can look up that number online. And you can see any transaction on the Bitcoin network. Now, Cash App doesn't really show the transaction numbers either, but if we look at Cash App here, if we go to Bitcoin, you can see that I actually have a Bitcoin address where I can deposit Bitcoin and withdraw Bitcoin. So if I want to send Bitcoin to my Cash App Bitcoin wallet, I can do that. If I want to withdraw Bitcoin from this wallet and send it somewhere else, I can do that. It's just that on Robinhood, there doesn't appear to be any way to do any of this. There's no transaction numbers. There's no proof that you own this crypto in a wallet. So it's a little concerning in my opinion. Now it could be completely legitimate. It could not be. I know like true cryptocurrency enthusiasts, true Bitcoin believers, they would not go near something like this. They need to have their own wallet, their own private keys, where only they have access to it. And that's the best way to do it. That's the best way to be safe with crypto. So if you're doing Bitcoin on Robinhood or any of these other cryptos on here, it's smooth, it works well. I don't even think there's any fees, but you're kind of going against the core principles of crypto. You're kind of defeating the purpose. If you don't have any wallet or any private keys, there's no information about these transactions in the app, then it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just kind of fake. So I might use it a little bit, I might not. It's kind of concerning. That's all I can say about it. That's all the information that I can give. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this or more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.